Pad, also known as Thai fried rice, is a delightful dish that combines fragrant jasmine rice with a medley of flavors. Here's a quick recipe for you. Ingredients: cooked jasmine rice, preferably day-old and cooled. Prawns, shrimp, peeled and deveined. Fish sauce, for that salty umami flavor. Hot Thai bird eye chilies, adjust to your preference. Vegetables, such as diced carrots, sweetcorn, and green peas. Shallots and garlic for aromatic depth. Light soy sauce and sugar for the sauce. Instructions: prepare the sauce, whisk together fish sauce, light soy sauce, and sugar until the sugar dissolves. You can heat this mixture in the microwave for a few seconds to melt the sugar. Stir fry. Heat oil in a wok or large pan over high heat. Add crushed garlic and red chillies, sauteing for 8–10 seconds. Add onions and fry for 4–5 seconds. Add prawns, shrimp, and cook until they turn pink, about 2–3 minutes. Mix in the sauce mixture and cooked rice, ensuring everything is well combined. Customize. Feel free to add your favorite proteins, chicken, crab meat, tofu, and vegetables. Adjust the seasonings to your taste. Serve hot and enjoy your homemade Khao Pad. Remember, there's no exact recipe. Each family and restaurant has its own twist, so feel free to get creative.